ko nyo, nagtatarapan na kay Ma'am. Parang tingin namin dito Angel. Hinahanap na namin yung pangpak. Kasi when the general and the colonel came here 2 weeks ago, sabi nila, ang hirap pa na po sila yung punta dito. Isang way pa lang yun. Laglag na yung katawan. And then, sabi nila, tingnan nyo si Ma'am. Every week, nag-bibiyate doon. So, sabi nila, kaya talaga tulong ng langit ito. Then, palagpakan po natin ang ating vice president. Corporate Father Henry P. Iyak, Director of the Physical Plan. Our Dean, the beautiful Ms. Hilda Salvo. And the deans of the other colleges and departments are present here. I understand they're in full force. Other members, the legal staff and the level management of the University of Platalet. Our registrar, I'm not forever blooming, Ms. Marlene Gawat. Colonel Opiano Todavio, Jr., the Chief Government Division of the Directorate for Human Resources and Development. Members of the teaching staff, for the mention of Dr. Bob Makatugal, our professor in research, and other professors and members of the faculty of the different departments. Let me make also special mention of Colonel Manuel C. Vitania, my partner since I was a lieutenant at the President Security Group. Up to now, he's not only a